Small forward from Quezon City, number 19, Bong Quinto. Power forward from Cavite City, number 7, Cliff Hodge. And at center from Pasig City, number 33, Brenton Bates. Coaching the Bolts is Luigi Trillo. Game officials Arnold Kilingen, Romel Gruta, Jeff Tantay,
Ito starters for Coach Timko and Japet, Justin and Troy up front. Stephen Holt and Scotty in the backcourt. On the other side for Coach Nena and Luigi, Brandon Bates, Bong Quinto, Cliff Hodge, Newsom and Banquero. Yan ang kanyang lima sa pag-umpisa ng ating laban. Nakaputi naman itong Meralco Bolt. The Reds are the Ginebra Gin Kings as we are about to tip it off. Our officials, Kilingen, Gruta, Tantay, and Halig, 3 at a time. Here we are at the Big Dome. We're about to get it going. Tip-off will be brought to us by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA. And here we go. Red shirts get the first possession of the game, Dom.
Kung magtataka kayo kung bakit wala yung import ng Meralco right now at the starting 5, sinabi nga ni Aileen kanina that he is suffering from back spasm, so game time decision. So they did not start him. Let's see if he'll even get any minutes in this ball game.
That's right. You know, he's ready to go, I think, but it really depends. Masakit talaga yan. And there's Troy Rosario. He's really felt his way into the rotation as a big part of Ginebra. Dom, nakita mo yun. He's great moving without the ball, finding himself underneath. Nice entry pass for the basket.
Well, they're giving him a lot of minutes also kasi gusto nilang makuha na niya yung sistema because they know that he plays a vital role in this Barangay Ginebra rotation, especially when they really have just Japet Aguilar at the big man spot because na-injure nga itong si Isaac Go a few months ago.
Here's that pass and then inaliyup na lang ni Troy Rosario, di na binaba, baka abutan pa siya ni Brandon Bates. Tapos turnover agad ang Meralco sa kanilang unang play, an offensive foul called against them.
Ano, may chance itong Meralco at Barangay Ginebra magtapat doon sa ating quarterfinals.
As we say, always a good matchup itong dalawa. Scotty outside to Troy, handing it off to Holt, can't shoot. Good defense from Hodge, down to 3 seconds. Scotty releases, misses, ball on the floor. And Holt steps out of bounds bago niya na itapik papunta kay Troy Rosario at babalik sa Meralco.
So let's play around with the scenario na hindi gagamitin itong si Akil Mitchell. It will now put a lot of minutes on guys like Brandon Bates. Obviously, Cliff Hodge is there. Madalas din at matagal din gamitin itong si Cliff Hodge, but opens up opportunities now for the other guys as well. Not necessarily just the big men, but pati yung mga small men kasi biglang aangat yung mga posisyon yan. Guys like Bong Quinto, you know, and Barangay Ginebra is a team. Once Japet sits down, they're not that tall, but they're athletic.
That's right.